Good morning, my dear student. Welcome all of you in maths class. Today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 2.3. In this exercise we are going to know about successor and predecessor and also ascending and descending order. So what is successor? The number which comes just after a given number is called successor of a number. We can find successor by adding +1, and we can find predecessor by -1. Okay children, so what is ascending order? If the numeral can return from smaller to bigger in order, it is called ascending order, and if numeral can be written from bigger to smaller order, it is called descending order. Let's learn about this exercise, children. In exercise 2.3, question number 1 is fill in the blanks and write the predecessor and successor of the following numeral. Here numeral are given. How can we get the predecessor of the numeral? We can -1 to the given following numeral. 18,346. Then predecessor of this numeral is 18,345. Okay children, and how we get the successor of the given numeral? We can add +1. 18,347. Okay children, one more example I can show you. 6,076. What is the predecessor of 6,076? 6,075. And successor of this given numeral is 6,077. Okay children. Now question number 2 is use greater than, equal to and less than sign and fill in the blanks. First we compare these two numbers. Which one is greatest? 9,872 is greater than 6,737. Then we put greater mark in 9,872. Okay children, here the question is 9,909. 9,990. Which one is greater? 9,990 is greater than 9,909. So we put greater mark in 9,990. Next question is write the number in a box which comes in between the predecessor and successor. Here predecessor and successor are given. What the number come between the predecessor and successor is 4,350. Then 4,316. It's clear children? Next question is 8,990. So you can write 8,991 comes between the predecessor and the successor. It's okay children? Question number 4 is find the smallest and largest number. Here some numeral are given. Find the smallest one. First we compare the given number. 1, 2, 2. Here 16, 12, 15. Which one is the smallest? 12,205 is the smallest number, and greatest number is 80,616. Understand children? Question number 5 is using symbol arrange the given number in ascending order. We can find the smallest one first. Which one is the smallest children? 517 is the smallest one. Then 1025 is smallest, then 2091, then 3610, and at last 61,935. We can arrange from smaller to bigger order. It's called ascending order. Okay children, question number 6 is using symbol arrange the following number in descending order. We can arrange this number from bigger to smaller order. Which one is bigger? 62,519 is bigger among this given number. So first, then 25,900, 25,009, then 9,165, 6,501, and then at last 6,501, and at last 653 is the last one. These numerals are arranged from bigger to smaller order. Okay children, question number 7 is use following digit only once and write smallest and greatest number. First we write smallest one, 2, 3, 4, 7. 2,347 is the smallest number and the greatest number is 7,423. Okay children, one more question is 1824. 1248 means 1,248 is the smallest one and 8,421 is the greatest number. Okay children, question number 8 is write any 5 numerals formed by 1, 3, 5, 6, 2 and write them in ascending order. We can use this number to write 5 numerals and arrange them into smaller to bigger order. How can we write? Solution: 12,356, 12,563, then 13,256, then 15,632, then 16,532. This numeral can be arranged from smaller to bigger order. Okay children, question number 9 is write any 5 numerals formed by 4, 1, 6, 2, 0 and write them in descending order. We can write from bigger to smaller order. We can write 6, 4, 2, 1, 0, 4, 6, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 6, 4, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, then 10,246. This numeral can be arranged from bigger to smaller order. Okay children, question number 10 is find the difference between the largest and the smallest number formed by the digit 93712. Solution is, first we write the greatest number. 97321 is the greatest number and the smallest number is 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. We can find their difference. We can put the minus sign, then we can minus 11, then 2, here 1, then we carry 1, it makes 11, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, 12, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, then 8 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. The number is 84,942 is the difference. Okay children, that's all about this chapter children. I hope you easily understood this chapter. So today homework is complete this exercise in your copy. Thank you.